Today we are making a delicious iced Spanish latte, a perfect blend of rich coffee, creamy milk and sweetened condensed milk that is sure to refresh and delight. First, take a tall glass, add 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, pour 100 ml of chilled milk, top it off with some ice cubes to keep it nice and cold. Now add 2 shots of espresso or diluted instant coffee. Stir everything well to combine. And your iced Spanish latte is ready. Enjoy a sweet and refreshing drink. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.